So, good morning everyone. My name is Bertoni Sabado, and today we're going to discuss on how to install a Laravel in Linux environment. So, without further ado, let's start. So, before that, let's open a terminal. This terminal will serve as a command to initiate downloading and installation process. So, ayan. So, may naka-ready na po akong mga script na gagamitin natin. Then, so, of course, sudo apt update. So, need muna po natin i-update yung ating current software. Yan. So, as you can see, nag-contain error siya, but hindi naman yan necessary. So, later on, we will fix that. Then next, we have to download a apt. Yan. So, repository natin. Para magkaroon tayo ng repository natin kung saan natin i-download and i-fetch yung composer natin. So, ayan. So, wait lang natin siya. Ayan. So, habang hinihintay natin siya, then next, proceed na tayo sa next step. Ayan na. So, ditong part is, ito na yung part na kailangan natin mag-install ng PHP 8.3. So, yun yung pinaka requirements para, or sabihin natin installation minimum para mas ma-download natin yung latest version ng Laravel. So, ayan. As you can see, download completed. Then, let's proceed to next, which is a composer. So, dito sa composer na to, kailangan natin i-download kasi ito yung magiging magsisilbing parang libraries kaatayan, or should I say parang server side ng Laravel. Ayan. Then after that, i-copy lang natin. As you can see, ayan, successfully downloaded na. Then next, ayan, ayun yung version nung na-download natin composer, which is successful, downloaded. Then next, ayan, so we insert ls to determine kung na-download ba yung package nung composer, yung installation. Ayan. Then after that, so i-download na natin siya. Then next, after ma-download natin yung package, so proceed na tayo sa yung pag-create naman ng example app sa Laravel. So, try na natin. So, ayan. As you can see, gumagawa na tayo ng default, or sabi natin simple folder para doon natin matitest kung nag-run or na-download na ba natin yung package. Then, yan, as you can see, then proceed na tayo dyan, change directory, example dash app, yan. Then, after that, we can proceed to the last step, which is PHP artisan server. So, ito yung magbibigay siya ng server para ma-open natin yung mismong application. So, ayan, ayun yung mismong application natin. So, after that, ayun yung mismong application natin. Then, and there you have it. We already installed or successfully installed the Laravel in Linux environment. So, ayan. So, ito yung parang simple guidelines or installation process para makapag-download ka ng Laravel. So, I hope you learn something, guys. So, once again, I am Pertoni, and this is a simple installation in Linux